Shout out to my subscriber who told me to use cowlick. I told y'all Mitchell was in the lab with these blushes and these bronzers, okay? What's up, y'all? It's Raquel Amaris. Yes, I'm back with another video. So today we just doing a little bit of makeup therapy. It is a little bit of a yap session, but it really isn't, because I was just talking about the makeup that I have and the makeup that I like. Because girl, I really wanted to just come on here and do a little springy look for y'all, because it's spring and I love spring. My birthday's in spring. Beautiful things happen in spring. The flowers come out. So I did this little pinky look for you guys. I think you guys are going to like it. Go ahead and give me that like. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and share with your friends. Without further ado, let's get into this video. To start today's springy look off, I'm going in with the Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum. I'm going to be honest with y'all. If you have oily skin, combination skin, this right here, this is the one for you. This is just a little bit of makeup therapy. I wanted to do something for spring. You know, spring is really cute. Y'all already know I'm going in for my eyebrows with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and it is in the shade 5. My brows are complete. Y'all already know I'm going in with my Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Dark. I'm going to be recording some content today, so I want to do a little nice makeup look. I wanted to do something simple, but I think I want to do something pinky just because it's springtime. Or maybe something green. I don't know. I think I might do pink. I was thinking green, but I think I might do pink. I'm feeling the pinky vibe. I feel like by now y'all already know my base routine, so sit with me while we do this little makeup therapy thing. Makeup therapy for the springtime. I've never done one of these videos. As you know, I'm going in with the Morphe E57 brush. We've corrected around my mouth. I'm going in with my foundation. I'm pretty sure this isn't her foundation, but I use this Danessa product as foundation, which is the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. It is in the shade 9. I have to re-up, y'all. I like to apply it with the Real Techniques 205 brush. There's another Real Techniques brush that I have. I think it's an orangish one, and I think I used it in one of my last videos. As always, if you see me looking over here, I'm looking at my mirror. To blend out the blurring balm powder, I'm going in with my Morphe 439 brush, which is a dense brush, just so I can disperse that product. And then also, I don't want no streaks in my face. I'm going in with my Made by Mitchell curved case. It is a cream bronzing and blush palette. Shade and Lane has to be my fave. To apply my bronzer, I put it here and around here just to warm my face back up. I use the Morphe G2 brush just for application. To blend out that bronzer, I'm going in with my Morphe M536 brush. One of you guys requested me to use cowlick in my next video, so we're gonna try cowlick. This shade right here, really pink, really springy. I'm excited. To apply my blush, you already know I'm using the Real Techniques 204 brush. I love the Real Techniques brushes. I feel like you get good quality for less. I love using this brush to apply my blush because it's so fluffy, especially for the cream products, and I can move it around easily. So like I said, this is cowlick. Ooh, y'all. Shout out to my subscriber who told me to use cowlick. Okay, sometime this month I'm gonna use mango daiquiri. I feel like y'all can't really see. It looks like a yellow orange on camera, but to me looks like, so this is Where's the, and this is Mango Daiquiri. I want to try Mango Daiquiri sometime soon. I think this will be really pretty in the summertime. All of these will be really pretty in the summertime, to be honest. This one for sure, the one Where's the, yeah baby, that one. Orange and a dark skinned baddie go together real bad. I told y'all Mitchell was in the lab with these blushes and these bronzers, okay? To conceal, I'm going in with my NARS concealers, the Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one is the medium dark 4 hazelnut, and this one is medium deep 2 caramel. These two go together so bad. To apply that concealer, I'm going in with my Morphe M167 brush. I have not been using my NARS concealers because I've been using my Fenty concealer because I just bought that one, and then I really like my Umber Vanish. But sometimes y'all gotta go back to that old faithful, okay? Always gonna be one of those OG products. I feel like NARS, MAC, Estee Lauder, Lancome, Clinique. That's another one, Clinique. To blend out that concealer, I'm going in with my Morphe M173 brush. And I'm starting to blend out on the edges. I'm going in with caramel just to get my highlight points. To bake, I want to bake a little bit because I kind of want to be, I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I mean in the camera, kind of want to be really bright under my eye, like the Olandria bright under eye. Let's see if I can achieve that. I don't know if I will be able to, but we will try. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on that Olandria look. If y'all want to see me recreate an Olandria look, comment down below. I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Setting Powder, and I'm using the Morphe E2 brush. All right, so for eyes, let's take the Nude Ambition palette from Morphe. I think I'm gonna go in with Raw Talent, and then I'm gonna do a little pink, maybe a little pink, smoky pink blend. I don't know. It looks rosy to me. I don't know about you guys. It looks rosy. I'm going to go in with, this is Sheer Genius right here. I got these brushes from Amazon. I don't know. I have no idea what brush it is, but I have no clue at all. Ooh. I was not expecting this color to come out like this, and now it makes me want to do something crazy to the lid. Oh, okay, guys, wait. These brushes do have something on it. Okay, so it's called Manage. It's spelled M-A-A-N-G-E. Mange. Large shader brush number 1 is a Mange short shader brush number 3. So these are the brushes that I'm using. These are really, I think I got it from Amazon. If y'all find them, M-A-A-N-G-E. I'm gonna be using my Morphe Love Bite palette. I'm gonna take Champagne Hookup. That's Champagne Hookup right there. I want to pop it on the white and see what it does, but I really like how the white looks. I have no idea. Listen, we're playing makeup today, guys. Makeup therapy. Ooh. I like that it didn't take away from the lightness of the color that was underneath, and it's pretty shimmery. First time using this color, by the way. Never used Champagne Hookup until this moment just now, and it's actually giving. Has a little bit of shimmer to it. I love that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back in with Raw Talent just to blend everything out here. Since we're doing an eye look, I'm gonna go ahead and pop a couple lashes on. I don't want to do too much. I say that and then I do too much. Put my lashes on. They're giving. They're cute. Let's get this powder off my face. Let's go ahead and add our bronzer and our blush. For my bronzer today, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Stalk'r bronzer in Mocha Mami. Just warms the skin back up. I'm going to be going in with Mocha Mami, and I'm going to be getting my under lash line as well. For my blush, I'm going to be using the Morphe 4003 brush. I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Blush Rouge Volume 1, and these are what the shades look like. I'm going to go in and use this one. I did add some of that blush to my nose just because I keep looking at myself in the mirror because this blush is so pretty. It's pretty. I love this blush. It's so pretty. Juvia's Place. To highlight today, I'm going in with Your Grounded from the Coffee and Cocoa palette from Beauty and Bakery, and it is the Better Not Bitter. Okay, we not bitter over here. For my mascara, I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara, and it is Extreme Black. I like to pop that onto my lower lash line. To set this pink springy face, I'm going in with the Morphe Life Proof Continuous Setting Mist. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. What do we think? Is it giving spring? Is it giving Paris? Springtime! I'm looking at myself on camera and I'm like, oh girl, you did that. Very nice. The base is beautiful as always. This was just a little bit of makeup therapy today. I wanted to just hop on here and show y'all a little springy look. For my lip combo, I used the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner, and it is dark cocoa. And then for the gloss, I did the NYX Professional Makeup Jelly Job. It is the Full Bodied Shine Gloss, and it is in Juicy Jelly. My fave. Very pink. It's giving pinky. It's giving brown and pinky. It's giving springy. I'm loving this look. Y'all love this look too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, and share with your homegirl. Share with your friends. We're becoming together. I'm gonna see you in the next video.